How to fix keep your Facebook account safe. Sometimes you might want to use your Facebook in different devices while using different apps, but then a pop up will be shown on your screen saying that please secure your Facebook account. So, how do you solve that? So, it cannot be solved from your Facebook app. So, what you should do is go on the Google Chrome on your device. After you go on the Google Chrome of your device, simply search for Facebook on your device and then tap your mobile number or email and tap the password. Except if that, what you can do is forget your password. Tap on forget your password and tap on the mobile number or email that you want to do. When you tap on the mobile number or email, a code will be sent on your device, either on your phone number or on your email. And when you do that, you can simply log in through that code on your Facebook account. And after that, you can clear the cache on your Google Chrome. After clearing all the cache on your Google Chrome, by going through the settings and clearing all the cache on your Google Chrome, simply open the Facebook, and opening the Facebook, your problem will be solved.